Creating floor plans in Revit is a fundamental step in architectural design. Floor plans provide an essential overview of spatial relationships and layout. Access floor plan. View. Select the floor plan view from the project browser. Set floor plan scale. Adjust the scale settings to ensure clarity in representation. Draw walls and partitions. Use the wall tool to create walls and define room boundaries. Add doors and windows. Place doors and windows in appropriate locations within the floor plan. Incorporate furniture and fixtures. Add furniture and fixtures to provide a functional layout. Annotate and dimension. Include dimensions and labels to clarify spaces and components. For example, an architect creates a detailed floor plan for a residential building, including all rooms and key features. Mastering the creation of floor plans in Revit is essential for effective architectural design and communication. This skill serves as the foundation for all subsequent modeling and documentation efforts.